What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your Instagram app. After going to Instagram app, you have to click on your profile icon. After going to your profile, what you have to do, you have to click on the three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then after clicking on it, what you need to do, have an option called Accounts Center. You have to click on Accounts Center. Then what you need to do, you have to click on your option called personal details, just like this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. Then what you need to do, you have to click on account ownership and control. After that you can see an option called deactivation or deletion. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you have to select a profile that you want to delete. I'm going to this. That after that you have to click on this deactivate account. There is two options, deactivate account and delete account. You have to click on this option because you want to deactivate your Instagram account for temporary. That's why you have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to click on continue. Then you have to put your password, then your account will be deactivated for temporary. So if you want to reactivate your Instagram account again, you have to just put your email and password on Instagram. Then you can log into your Instagram and activate it again. This is that's easy. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.